Now you realize that you cannot be able to download videos from major social platforms. So you go to Google and write maybe Twitter video downloader, something like that. Then you can click on the website, copy the link from Twitter, paste it here, and then download. Similarly, you can still do the same for other websites like TikTok. You can say TikTok. Then you can choose that one to download TikTok, the same way as Facebook and all others. Then you can copy the link, paste it here, and click download. Now, have you ever asked yourself how much these websites make? So today we are going to see how much they make. So we are going to start with Twitter. We're just going to copy this link, then go to this website called Worth of a Web. It normally tells you how much that website makes. So we are going to analyze the first one, and you can see the estimate revenue per day is $47,000, per month it's 1.4 million and something like that. If you go for Twitter, we have tested Twitter. So if we go for TikTok, it's called Snaptick. You can also check this the same way I'm doing, so that we can check if the figures are okay or I'm doing my own things. So this is Snaptick. Just click on analyze, and you can see estimated amount per day they make is 34,000. So if you go to Facebook, this one is making $33,000 in a day, almost $1 million in a month. Now if you check on them, they make money using ads. As you can see, we have advertisements here. These are advertisements. This one actually you can download it on Play Store or App Store. So imagine if you could be able to make a video downloader that downloads every video from every platform. Imagine how much you could be making. So I have made this website that is going to download every video from any platform. So from Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, all platform, Pinterest, and then people are just going to come, copy the link, paste it here, click download, and they are going to get the video. So I'm going to show you step by step how to make this amazing website so that you can be able to make money from this tool. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Davis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create all-in-one video downloader using WordPress. The video downloader will support all these platforms. The procedure is going to be simple. The users are going to copy the link of the video, paste it in your video downloader, and click download. Then they are going to be downloading the videos. I'm going to show you how to create this logo. I'm also going to show you how to create this amazing favicon over here. I'm also going to show you how to display this amazing menu here. And then I'm going to show you how to create every downloader for every website here. So it will be like you'll have this downloader, then maybe you'll have another one for TikTok, another one for Pinterest, another one, something like that. I'm also going to show you how to create a blog so that you can get extra traffic and also display it on your menu the way we have displayed here. So when I click on blog, you'll be able to see all your blog posts, the first post, second, like that. I'm also going to show you how to translate this video downloader into different languages. So when we click here and we choose Espanol, it's going to change. When we choose French, it's going to change. so your users can have the flexibility of the languages that they are comfortable in. So just to give you a quick demo, have a website here. So users will be downloading videos by clicking on share, copy the link, then coming to your website, pasting the link there, clicking on download, and they will be able to see the video here, and they can click the video here, and immediately it will have some countdown. So I'm going to show you how to set up the countdown, and then they will see the video downloading here, and then you'll be able to customize the video to mention your website here. So you can see that this one is mentioning, the video is mentioning my website here. Now you can monetize this video downloading platform using AdSense and many other ads providers, so that you can make money from it. The best part about creating this website is that you don't need any coding or programming knowledge or skills. In fact, this website can be created by a 10-year-old. It will be so simple. I'll take you through step by step without skipping any step. I'll be sure to leave all the links that I'll be using in this video, so that you can be able to concentrate without losing focus. So all the links will be in the description below. For you to create this amazing website, you will need to have domain and hosting. In fact, for you to create any type of a website, you will need to have a domain and hosting. A domain name is the name of your website. For example, amazon.com, facebook.com, google.com, and many more. Domains can have different extensions like .com, .org, .net, and many more. They can also reflect the country you are in. For example, .in for India, .uk for United Kingdom. Now, .com is the most famous and commonly used extension. Hosting is a place where your website files are stored. They can be videos, images, or any other content. When you buy hosting, you basically rent some space on a physical server where you can store all your files and data necessary for your website to work properly, so that your content can be accessible over the internet very well. Buy domain and hosting. Below this video, click on the first link. Now you're going to land on this particular page where you're going to get our hosting. Hosting is the most important thing in your website because everything is directly tied to your hosting. For example, your website performance, your website speed, your website security, a good user experience, and even your website ranking. So selecting a reliable hosting company is crucial for an amazing user experience, amazing security that will make your website almost impossible to attack and hack. And most importantly, you will get a better ranking in Google, Bing, and other search engine results. There are thousands of hosting companies or hosting providers. In my 10 years of creating WordPress websites, I have interacted with many, but a few are worth consideration. Now, we'll be using Hostinger, a company I found to be really good and affordable for hosting with some of the best deals. Now, you can really see we have a very good rating from different places like Trustpilot, Google, and others. Now, if you scroll down, you can see the 3 plans available. You can choose any based on your budget. But before you do that, let me highlight some of the features you'll be getting. Now we have 3 plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Now we are going to choose the most popular, which is the Business plan. And you can see we are getting it at $14, but it's now at $4 we have around 2 months that are free. Now if we scroll down, we are going to see that we have an increased performance by 5 times. We can host around 100 websites. That means that today you are creating a blog, tomorrow you are creating an online shop. The more websites you are creating, you can create up to around 100 websites. We have 200 GB NVMe storage. This is not your local HDD or SSD storage. It's a very powerful and one of the latest storage technology. Now we have daily backups. We have unlimited free SSL. Now an SSL is the padlock that you see on a website like this. So every website should be having this. If it doesn't have this, then it will show that the connection is not secure and it will display it in red. So people will not be able to visit your website. Most of the hosting providers sell that, and you can see that we are getting here at free. We have unlimited bandwidth. We have free email. Now, a free professional email is not like the one that you are used to. For example, davis@gmail.com. This is an email that is associated with your website. For example, info@davis.com or info@amazon.com or support@amazon.com. Those are professional emails and you'll be getting them for free. Now you also have a free domain. So you are getting hosting and a free domain for a whole year. You're also getting a free CDN and a lot of goodies that will be coming with the managed WordPress. Now we have so many features here, but those are some of the highlights that I thought you should know. Now click on add to cart. Now again, you will be taken now here where you can choose the plan that you want. We have a 1-year plan here. We have a 2-year plan here and a 4-year plan. Please don't go with 1 month because it will be very expensive unless you just want to test it. So go with a higher plan for maybe 24 months or 48 months. As you can see, you are getting, this is the $14 that you are supposed to be paying, but you are getting it at $4, or let's call it just $5. And when you renew, you're going to get it at $13 here. You can see here. So if you go for a plan for 2 years, you're going to get it at the same $5, but you're going to renew it at $10. So if you go for this plan, which is selected by default, you're going to get the 2 months free. Then you're going to get it for 4 years, and you're going to get it to the least amount, which is $4. And you're also going to renew your plan at a very affordable rate, which is $8.99, which is around $9. So now based also on your budget, so you can select any of the plans. I will select this one. Now scroll down, you'll be able now to check out. So this hosting company supports so many different types of checkout. You can pay with PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, and this other one, I'm not sure about it. Then you can also use your card here, so your credit card. So I'm going to use my credit card, and now you can be able to see on your billing here that you are going to pay around $671. Now you are paying at $191.52. You have 2 extra months, you have free domain, and you have WHOIS privacy protection, and you don't have a setup fee. So you're going to now fill these details. To pay, you're going to add your card details right here. Then I'm going to click on Submit Secure Payment. So after paying, you're going to be redirected to your control panel. Now from here, you can be able now to choose what you want. You can say if you're creating for yourself, it's just a survey. You can skip it, but again, you can also answer it for Hostinger to be able to better understand what you need. So I'm creating it for myself. Is it your first time creating a website? So depending on your needs here, So yes. Next. What type of website do you want to build? So you can select now based on what you want. Maybe an online store, maybe a blog, depending on what you want. So you're going to select WordPress with AI, then select WordPress. So now here you're going to create the login details that you will be using on your WordPress website. So make sure that you record or you don't forget the details that you're going to use here. Select next. So we're going to select on standard themes. Then next. Then we don't want to take any of the themes here. We want to skip this. We also don't want them to recommend us the plugins that we are going to use. So we are going to say no. And then we are going to click next. So let us skip this, and now here we can be able to fill the name or the domain name that we want. So you can think of a domain name that we'll be using for your particular website. Now you can put it here. So mine will be, let me use my personal name. So you can choose the extension. For me, I want a .com. You can choose a .online, .net, things like that. For me, I want to have a .com, and you can see it's free. So I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to click on next. Now I'm going to put these details so that I can finish taking the name davisene.com. So I'm going to click on next step and fill the details that they want. So it's going to take you to this particular place where you can select the data center that is nearest to you so that your website can even be faster, but it's selected normally automatically. So you can change here or you can let it be. Click on next. So your WordPress is going to be installed. Now you can be able now to see that you have been redirected to your cPanel. Now click on admin panel, and now you're going to be redirected to your WordPress website. As you can see, you can also access your WordPress website by typing your domain name /wp admin. You can see you will be redirected now to your dashboard. So you don't have to access it using your cPanel. You can just type your domain name /wp admin. Now, as you can see that our dashboard has a lot going on. So we'll need to do some cleanup and also some general settings before we install our themes and plugins. So let us go here and click on screen options, then untick everything here. Now you can be able to see that our dashboard is now clean. Now head on to plugins, then install plugins. You can go ahead and deactivate the one that is active here, and then you can highlight all of them by clicking here, then bulk actions, then we can click on delete and apply. So it's going to delete all the plugins that came pre-installed. Then we can go to our appearance, then themes, and now we can be able to delete this theme. This one is not needed. So if you find any other theme, please delete all of them. Let us just remain with this one. So when you're done, go to settings, then general. Now you can add your tagline here. So what you'll be using for downloading. So you can say all-in-one video downloader, or download all your videos in one place, something like that. So let me just call it just like that. Then we are not going to add our icon here. I'm going to show you how we are going to do that. Then choose your time zone and now save changes. Now when you are done, go to your settings again, then under settings go to permalinks. Now you will see it will be under day and time. Please change that one to post name. This is the best SEO link structure, so make sure it is under post name. Then click on save changes, and now with that we are ready. You can now start installing our themes and plugins. To buy the theme, below this video, click on the second link, get theme here. It will bring you to this page. So we are going to buy this script that will help us add all the video downloaders that you have seen, the TikTok, Facebook, and all this. You can see it has around these sales, it has around 4.8 star rating, and you can be able to see all that. So we are going to click on add to cart, and now we are going to buy this particular plugin. After you have bought the plugin, you will be able to see it here. So I have bought 2. So I'm going to click on download here, and you can download all the files and documentation. You can also see your license key here that we'll be using in a short while, and then you can see it in the license key in PDF and in text format. So I'm going to click on all files and documentation so that I can download everything. And now you can be able to see that we have this particular file that has been downloaded. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this file that I've just downloaded and paste it in this folder that I've just created called all-in-one video downloader. It's empty, so I'm going just to paste it here. Then after I've pasted here, I'm going to click on it, right click, and then I'm going to say extract here. So when I go to my files here, the ones that have been extracted, I'll be able to see my plugin and theme. So after we have extracted our plugin and theme, we now want to come and install them here. So we want to go to plugins, then add new plugin. And then before we install the plugin, please install all these plugins that I'm going to install here. They will really come in handy. So the first one is Polylang. So this plugin will help you in translation. So install now. So another plugin that you'll need is Elementor. Install the plugin. So this one will help you to edit your pages and posts. Then install another one called Yoast. So this one, Yoast SEO. This one will help you with search engine optimization. So just click on install now. And the last one is WP Manager. This one will help you manage the files for that particular all-in-one video downloader. So click on install. So when you're done, just click on install plugins. Now take all of them by clicking here, then activate all of them, then apply. Good. So we are going to add the plugin that we have just downloaded to add the functionality of downloading videos. So add a new plugin, upload plugin, choose file. Then you can choose the file from the folder that we had, all-in-one video downloader. Then you can click on files, then click on plugin and open. So install the plugin, activate the plugin. And now we'll have the all-in-one video downloader plugin. Also, I go to appearance, then themes. And now we want to add the theme that we have just downloaded. So add new theme, upload theme, choose file, and you can go to the file that you have just downloaded for theme, the one that we have just extracted. So for the theme, then open and install and activate. So you can see that we have now the theme that we have just downloaded. So if we go to our site right now, it's not looking good, but we are almost there. So if you go and click on your name here and then view site, you can see that it's telling you to install Polylang plugin. So you are going to configure this particular plugin, and then you are going to come and check whether this will be still here. So let's go to themes and then go to plugins, install plugins, then go to Polylang here, then click on settings. So we are going to run the settings here, but to make it easier for us, we're just going to click on run the setup wizard here. So we are just going to answer these questions. So this is the first language. Select the language to be added, but the first one should be the one that you want to be the default for the website. So for me, I want English. So just click on this arrow and then search the languages that you'll want. I'm going to check English US, then add language. So that one will be the default language. Then we can add other languages. We can add Espanol and French. Then we're going to continue. So you can add as many languages as you wish, but I just wanted to have 2 or 3 just for demo. Then you can allow this one if you want, but I don't want to allow that. So continue. So the language to be assigned will be now the language that I want, the default language, English. So you can choose here Hindi or Spanish depending on the language that you want to be default. Then click on continue. And now you are done. You can return to your dashboard. So now if we come to our front end and refresh this, you'll see now we are somewhere. You can be able to see that we are somewhere. We are headed somewhere now. Now we want to go and activate our plugin. So we are going to go to this place. Then you're going to see video downloader settings. Just click on that. And then we are going to carry all these settings, the general API keys, all this. So first, we are going to click on allow this, then click this. Now, depending on your needs, you can choose either of these, but for me, it's okay. Then we can add our timer. So after how many seconds will the download start? I'll just do 5. Then the suffix file name. So the name that when people download, they will see the name, then the name of the video. So we can add here maybe my name. Then we can save the settings here. Now we can go to API keys. So you can paste your Facebook cookies here and Snapchat cookies here. So right here, we don't have too much to do. So just save settings, then advertising. So this is the place that when you apply for maybe Google AdSense or any other monetization, you'll be given a code. Now that code, you come and paste it here. And once you paste it here, you will see that the ad will start displaying under the download form. The other one will be displayed under, or it will be placed before the video. Then the other one will be placed on top of articles and pages, and the last one will be under articles and pages. So you just come and paste the code here and then save settings. So for now, we have not yet applied for monetization. Then so for this one, right now it's not working. So just let's assume this. Then appearance. So appearance is what will be shown on the front end. So what do you want? Which sections do you want people to see on the front end? So you can enable this. Then you can save the changes. Then downloaders. So you can tick all the downloaders that you want to be displayed or to use. So you can tick them from here. So you can see we have all of them. You can save the settings. Then proxy. So this is not really important. Then go to REST API. Also, this is not important. Go to latest downloads. I don't need to have this so that you don't overwhelm your resources. Then we are going to the most important place, which is license. But before that, we can see the system check, which is okay. Now go to license. Now we are going now here to activate our license, so that when we have activated our license, this will be live. So you can see right now it's like this, it's broken. So if we even refresh here, you can see it's still broken. So you can see all the downloaders here, but it's broken already. So we want to activate our license so that we can now see the video downloader. So go to video settings and now add your name here, your email, the purchase code. So you get your purchase code from now going to Code Canyon. Then you click on downloads and you'll be able to get your purchase code here. So you can download it in PDF or in text format. I'm going to just take it on text format here. And now my license will be here. So the purchase code will be here. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. Then I'm going to click on save settings. And then to get now the activation code, we are going to click on click to get it. And now you can paste your registration code here. So you're going to go back here to our license. Then we are going to copy the registration code, which is this. Copy it. Then you're going to paste it here. And then we are going to click on activate. So you'll be able to see your activation code is generated. Now copy it. Go back to your video downloader, the license part. Then you're going to paste it here and then save settings. And with that, we have now activated our all-in-one video downloader. So if we go to our front end, we'll be able to see that everything now has changed. So go to your website. So click on visit site and let us open it on a new tab. And voila, you can see now we have our video downloader and it has been activated. So this one will load with time. It's only that I don't have very strong internet. So you can be able to see that we have our video downloader activated here, and it can be able to download now from all these particular websites. So Nengag, Kili, all these ones. Now to add an individual downloader, for example, Facebook video downloader, TikTok video downloader on its own separate page, this is what you do. Go to your pages, then click on add new. Let's open this on a new link. Then you can call the name that you want. Then here you can come and add the image that you will want to go with this. So set a featured image. You can use one. I had uploaded one here, or you can just click on upload, then you select the one that you want. Maybe I select this one again, then I open it. So it will be uploaded, then set it as a featured image. You can see it's here. So we are going to click on publish, and I want you to see this before we even click on publish. Now there's something down here. You see we don't have anything down here, but when we click on publish, then publish again, See, this page will not be active. Let us just click on it and open on a new tab. You see, it will be just be the words alone. So if you want to display now the downloader form here, you have to do this, and this is very important because you'll not be able to have this page if you don't do this. So go back to your page here, then up here on the corner you will see these 3 dots. Click on them, then scroll down to the bottom. You'll see preferences, then under general you're going to scroll down, then you'll be able to see something called custom fields. It used to be here, but they moved it to general. So just allow this custom fields, and then you can reload this on this page. So it's just one time setting. So just click on show reload on the page. So it will refresh, and then when you just scroll down, you'll be able to see that there's a new field here that has been added. So these are the custom fields. So just add now the name of the page, then the value. Don't add anything on the value. Click on add custom field. So add another field called show download form. So it will be show, then underscore download, then underscore, then form, then its value should be 1. So when you're done with that, just click on update and our page will be updated. So if we go now to this page that we had created without doing that setting, and now we refresh it, we'll see now we'll have a very good downloader here for Facebook. You can do that similarly to all the downloaders that you will need. So you can do that for TikTok, for Instagram, for all others to have different pages. Okay, so if you want to add a custom home page, you can go to your pages, then add a new page. Just open it on a new tab, and maybe you want to call your home page maybe that's what you want to call your home page. You can call it like that. Then you can scroll and you can add the image that you want for home page. So I'm just going to upload one. Let me pick this, then open it. Then I'm going to use it as set as featured image. Then before I publish, I'm going to scroll down. And now I can call this page the same as the name of the page. The value will be 0, so don't put anything. Add a custom field, and then we can add the same show download, show underscore download underscore form. Then we can add as 1. All will be like this. So you can now click on publish, then publish again. So we can view this page. So this is the page that we have created for our home page. So this is the page that I want displayed as my home page, but when I click on my home button here, it will not display this page. It will display the page that was installed when we first activated this theme and plugin. So when we click on Davis NA, you can see it is displaying the page that was the default page. So to change this, go to your dashboard, scroll down to your settings, then go to reading, and now you're going to see your homepage displays your latest posts. So click on static page here, and then on your home page, just select the page that you have just created. So select that and come and save. So when we click here and we visit our site, it will take us to the page that we have just created, which is now our default home page right now. and you can see it has worked well. Similarly, we are going to add our blog page so that all the blogs will be displayed under that page. So click on your dashboard, then add a new page called blog. Let's add it on a new page, call it blog. And now for this one, you're not going to change this, we are just going to let it be blog. Then you're going to click on publish, then publish again. Then you're going to go to our dashboard, then settings, general, then you're going to go to reading, and then we can now display our posts on the blog that we have just created. Then save changes. So what that means is that every blog that you are going to create is going to be under that, every blog page that you are going to create is going to be under blog. So if we come to post here and then we add a new post, just call it maybe sample 1, then we write that post, maybe we write the blog here, then maybe we publish it, then we write another post, then we publish. So when we go to our blog page, we'll be able to see that all will be displayed under the blog page. So we go to our home page, then our pages, all pages, then we go to blog, then view blog. So you can see now our blogs will be under this page that we have just created. So sample 1, sample 2, so these will be all your blogs. So when you come to our home page, you realize that we don't have a menu. So a menu is what is displayed here. So we don't have it. So this is how we add it. So we are going to go to our dashboard again. And now we are going to go to our appearance. Then have our appearance and you'll be able to see menus here. And then we are going to click on automatically add to top level pages. So just like that. And then we can also choose the primary as English. Then we are going to hit on create menu. So from there, we are now going to display our menu. So we can come here and view all the pages that we have. So we have the home page, we have the blog, we have the Facebook, and we have the sample page. So let us add maybe the blog and maybe Facebook and all the pages that you'll want to be added here. So I don't want to add this because it's my home page. Then you can add maybe a contact page. Your contact page, when you create your contact page, it will be here. So maybe it's the sample page. Just add it as a sample page to represent contact page or about us page. Then click on add to menu and you'll be able to see it here. So once you're done with that, just click on save menu and your menu will be saved. So when you come to your home page and now you refresh, you're going to see that you have now your menu here. So you can click on blog and you'll see all the blog posts that you have. You can click on the Facebook video downloader that we had created and you can see it here. And maybe if you had a contact page, so it will be here. So now we are going to translate. We are going to do finally translation. So that when people click here, they'll be able to translate this particular page. So let's do the translation right now. So to translate your pages, you can see by default we have the languages that we added when we are adding the Polylang plugin. So we added English, Espanol, and French. So let us go to our dashboard. Then let's go to our pages, then all pages. Then we are going to go to the page that we want to translate, and by default you can see that it has English. So this is English, this is the other two languages that we have added. So if you want to translate maybe a Facebook page, or let us just translate our home page all in one video downloader, you can see it here. So just let us click on open on a new tab so that we can translate this. So we can now go to our Google for help. So the home page was called all-in-one video downloader. So let us translate from English now to this language, which is Espanol. You can be able to see all your translations here. So just write English, then you can write your text here, then you are going to copy it, then name your page the all-in-one. So by default that will be added, so you don't need to do anything else. All you need to do is maybe change this picture to be like this wording. So this picture you can edit it. I used Canva, so you can change this one to match this. Then click on publish, then publish again. So you can do the same for that other language. So let me just exit here. So when I refresh here, you'll be able to see that all-in-one has changed. You can see that we have a pencil here. That means that this has been translated and it has its own separate page here. So let us translate also to French. So let me open it on a new tab again. And now come to Google and now change to French. And this is the text, copy it. That's it. So you're going to hit on publish, publish again. And when we come here again and refresh, we'll see that our page will be translated. So when we go to our home page, we can now see that we have the translation here. So when I click on Espanol, it will change. When I click on French, it will change. So let us just do that. So Espanol, you can see it has changed, it has translated. Then French, it has translated. So that's how we translate our pages and posts. We are now going to do some customization. So changing our logo and also our favicon. So favicon is this image that you normally see on the browser up here. So let's do that. So click on customize. Then you can click on site identity. Then you can put your logo here, and then you can put your site icon here. So I'm going to show you how to create a logo. So you can watch the video that is in the description, or at the end of this video, you'll be able to learn how to create a logo using AI. So let me just select a logo and use this. I'm going also to scroll down, and I'm going to select the site icon, which is said it's a favicon. It will be displayed here. So click on site icon and then just select the same one. Now you can be able to see that it will be displayed on my browser up here. So click on publish. So when you are done with that, I'm going actually to real quick show you how I created this favicon. This favicon here. So go to this website. It's called flaticon.com. It's a free website. You can do this for free. So I just came here and wrote video downloader. And I was given so many of them here. So you can choose from the ones that are here. Most of them are really good. Just click on one. And you can click on PNG. And then you can click on free download. And you'll see it here. So you can be able to use it. Actually, let us just change this one and choose that one. Just to show you. Change image. Then we upload this. We open it. We select it. And now you can see it has changed. So let us now finish this by clicking on publish. Then we are going to hit on the X to go to home. And now you can be able to see that you have your logo here and you have your favicon here. Okay, now we are done creating our website. Now we can be able to test some downloaders. So with me, I have one from here, the one from here, the one from here. So let us just test them real quick. So just click on share, then copy the link, then go to our website, can paste the link there and download. And be able to see it even supports 1080p. So you can just click on download, but let me just go to another one still. So from this site, share, copy link, you can be able to see that it's also available here. And finally, let us test using this website. So let us test using this website. And now you can be able to see that it also supports this website. It basically supports all the websites that you have seen below. So when you click on the download button, it will give you a countdown. Remember how we added the countdown? And once it downloads, you can be able to just see it has downloaded this video. You can be able to see that it has the name that you had assigned. So that when your users download these videos, they can be able to see where they downloaded the video from, the website that they used. So just click on the video. Now you can be able to have your users download the video. Now, if you need some help when you buy this plugin, just go to the plugin that you bought. And you can be able to see that mine is now on renew support, but for you it will have active support for around 6 months. So you can always contact the developers in case you have a problem. They can always fix it to you. So you'll come here, create a new ticket, maybe tell them maybe you have an issue here and there, and then they are going to give you support. Now you have been able to create this video downloader by yourself, and now you want it to rank high on search engines like Bing and Google. In the description below, I have included my course that I'll be sharing all the secrets that you'll need to rank and also monetize this platform. So if you're interested, click on the link below or contact me at this email, download@davisenei.com, and you will get the course. So if this video has been helpful to you, It has taken me a lot of time to create this video and also a lot of resources because I had to buy domain and hosting and also buy this particular plugin. So I will really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel as a way of saying thank you. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one.